Hi everyone, back again with one of your requests. You want to recreate your photos, use them and change them and have one of these results. So how do you do this? Go to Toonme. You have to download it to your phone. Then what? Then you have to open it, browse it, choose a photo. Upload your photo or take a photo of yourself. If you like the result, just download it. You also have animations when you get the photo, so it's really good. So if you want to be a queen, if you want to meet Leonardo DiCaprio, if you want to have animated photos, look like a warrior, or just have fun with the photos, here it is. If you like this video, do like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools out there for you. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.